No matter how challenging life can be at times, with motivation, you can always find a way through. Motivation is like a spark that lights the fire in our souls, giving us the strength and courage to tackle any problem. It can help us to be more productive, to reach our goals faster, and to achieve great things. So, don't underestimate the power of motivation. Use it to your advantage and you'll be amazed at what you can achieve. Take the time each day to remind yourself of your goals and why they are important to you. Believe in yourself and the possibilities that are out there. The world is full of opportunities, so don't be afraid to go out there and take them. Believe in yourself and you will achieve greatness. Thank you for your time.